What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Celeste here, and I fixed my mic, or I think it's fixed. I don't know. So if you can hear me alright, then that's alright. That's cool. So in today's vid, I won't be doing any scaling. I'll just be looking over some predictions that I made. Or well, one prediction that I made about chapter 62. It comes out in 4 days, so I just want to drop this right now. I don't plan on making a long vid, just I know, a 2 3 minute vid. So yeah, let's get into it. So this theory will be revolving around one of the main characters of the former series, Sasuke Uchiha. Granted, Sasuke just got his major nerf by losing his Rinnegan. He's not in tip-top shape right now, but he should still be able to do something, right? He still have his EMS and Susanoo or whatnot. But so in the theory, I think the theory also involves Code, and Code just pulling up on the Hidden Leaf or the outskirts of the Hidden Leaf, with Kawaki currently leaving the village and Boruto tailing him. So in the theory, I think that Sasuke will run into Kawaki and he'll ask Kawaki where he's going or whatnot. Interaction between the two. The first interaction we got between them was when Sasuke like sliced off his organic arm. But I think this time I don't know if he'll like run into Kawaki before he reaches Code. I think Code will approach Kawaki before, and we'll have a little shuffle between the two. Ada will be watching over, and Sasuke will be trailing behind. So with Boruto, and I think that here is where Boruto will get his scar on his forehead, either by Kawaki or Code. I don't know which, but I think that's going to happen here also in this chapter, and I think the chapter will finish like with Code and Sasuke squaring off. We'll have a battle between those two in chapter 63. And I think Naruto will also be involved, or Code will probably get away. I don't know what will happen there, but yeah, for this chapter, I think an interaction between Code and Sasuke and Kawaki, a three-way interaction between them. I think that's going to happen in this chapter. So yeah, that's all. That's the video. Yeah, see you guys next vid. Peace.